Hello and welcome to Visa Pathfinders. My name is Peter Olubayo and I welcome you once again to our job and visa sponsorship hub, where as a team we highlight one or more job vacancies that come with visa sponsorship for people to migrate overseas. So if that interests you, the best thing is for you to click the notification button as well as subscribe to this channel. Today, our focus is on the UK, and as you can see, okay, guys, so I'm currently on findajob.dwp.gov.uk, which is an extension of the official government website and also the official website of the Department of Work and Pension in the UK. So any job you find on here is genuine. Okay, so but as you can see right here, I've got the marketing and sales executive position advertised on the 21st of August 2023 and it's closing still has a far closing date in September 2023. The salary is, as you can see, is a full-time permanent position. The company recruiting is RS Traders Limited and the location is that. All right, to apply, you simply have to click this green box. However, let us check what the job entails. So in summary, you'll be managing day-to-day business sales. You'll develop and implement new sales plans and strategies. You plan for upcoming deals and coupons, prepare pricing strategies, you prepare winning product research for new launching and marketing of new product, and every other thing you can see there. So I think major thing here is that they say you own the Amazon store, you own the Amazon store experience across US, Canada, EU, and our international markets. Apply PPC best practice for Amazon sponsored product ads. Analyze the best online marketing strategies through product detail page execution, digital merchandising, and brand specific content to commerce initiatives. So to qualify, they need 3 years plus managing and selling products on Amazon Vendor Central and Seller Central. So you need to have strong communication skills, both oral and written, and experience managing and updating the online product catalog, including setting up new product and promotional items and maintaining product and category pages, data analysis, performance trends, etc. The benefits include flexi time, you have flexible working hours, and it comes to UK visa sponsorship. For the language requirement, they said they are flexible there, but generally for a UK visa, you need an IELTS of level 4.5. Okay, that should be a UK VI IELTS, I should say, and it could be general or academic. Likewise, you can, if you have a degree taught in English language, you can then not have to write IELTS and apply to ECCTIS, formerly known as UK NARIC, for your English proficiency statement. Okay, with the EPS, which is the English proficiency statement from UK NARIC, you can apply for your visa. All right. So they said it's an 8 hour shift, day shift, flexi time, Monday to Friday, and you get yearly bonus. And part of the requirement is that you are able to commute or relocate near the job position, which is around London. Okay. To apply, you simply have to click this button. You need to create an account if you haven't done that, and that will be the end of what I'm showing you today. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and hoping to hear your success story very soon. Don't forget also to like and share this video with friends and family members who might need it even more. And as we part today, my word is that remember that at Visa Pathfinders, it is our pleasure to be part of your success story. See you later and bye.